guys, Spidey here, and welcome to the latest on US stocks of July 11 and 12, 2025. As you can see here, I don't know why I'm recording, so I thought let's cover a stocks news, latest stock news. Okay, so yeah, here we go for the market highlights. As you can see here, the market highlights. The number one is US equity markets retreated from record highs due to new traffic threats from President Trump, including a 35% traffic on Canadian imports effective August 1, with additional proposal targeting Brazil's and broad non-exempt countries. Many viewed these moves as escalating global trade tensions. And the second news is the S&P 500, DUW, and Nasdaq all reserved midweek gains and closed lower on Friday, ending a 3-week winning streak. Specific declines included. Okay, I'm read it again. The S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq all reserved midweek gains and closed lower on Friday, ending a 3-week winning streak. Specific declines included. S&P 500 about minus 0.3%. DOE down 279 points, 0.6%. Nasdaq NASDAQ down 0.2%. Okay. And Meta platform notably weighed on market performance, while Nvidia, Taiwan, and Semiconductor and AMD demonstrated relative strength amid growing interest in AI and semiconductor plays. As you can see. Okay, so the key themes and analyst commentary. Trade tensions at center stage. Investors were retailed. Okay, I'm covered. Highlight. Okay. Investors were rattled by the unexpected escalation in trade policy, especially with Canada raising fears of broader inflationary pressures and economic dispersion. Market realize and tactical views. Despite near-term volatility. Okay, volatility. Okay, I'm sorry because my English is not that good. Okay, despite near-term volatility, many Wall Street firms remain cautiously optimistic. Bank like Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, and Deutsche Bank raised their year-ahead S&P 500 targets, accepting gains of 6-11% supported by strong tech fundamental and anticipated free trade cuts. Okay, HSBC notes that while trade headlines grab headlines, market sensitivity may be muted and Q2 earnings could be still outperform expectation given strong consumer and facing trends. Warning signals from market strategists. Larry McDonald flagged excessive investor complacency, particularly in high-flying tech and bank. stocks, citing Warren Buffett's recent reduction in Bank of America holding and cautionary. BNP Paribas raised its full-year S&P 500 targets up to 6,700, citing a capex-driven global stimulus cycle. Tough it sees a possible correction in August to September before recovery. Okay. The taco Trump as corridor option trade, assuming traffics will fade quickly in receiving renewed. Okay, skepticism as risks continue mounting. Current snapshots: SPGR and SP 500 ETF SPY. A bottom line. Number one is market reaction to trade-related headlines as swift US indexes retraced from recent highs. Investor sentiment is split while valuation remain elevated. Many analysts feels see value if trade risk is and the Federal Reserve cuts rates later this year. Watch its upcoming inflation data, CPI, PPI, retail sales, key corporate earnings, example JP Morgan, Nvidia, and feed commentary will likely guide the next move in equality. Thank you so much for